hanging out on top of the tower. Got the last mango right off my port stern, and literally jets flying right behind us. God, it's cool. What's up, everybody? On today's episode, we are taking the 2000 Pursuit 3400 out for 2025 Blue Angels practice day in Annapolis Harbor. I would equate this something like the shootout at the Lake of the Ozarks. It is one of the most incredible sounding events outside of like sprint cars or NASCAR that you could go to. But we're gonna raft up, throw some flags up, and watch some badass jets fly over and put on a sweet air show for us today. All while, you know, on and about, a little test and tune ride on the Pursuit 3400. So anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel as always, and here we go. It is a beautiful day out. A little chilly. It's like 62, something like that currently, so I've got all my isinglass up. But last year, I did not get to take this boat out for Blue Angels because I was busy with work. So this year, it's a Tuesday. It's about 8:30 a.m. And I'm gonna get to fly the Stars and Stripes, my John Deere flag. I've got my John Deere sweatshirt on, a couple other flags, and literally watch some F-18s fly over in formation. And I mean, just the sound and vibration. It's the Naval Academy graduation this week, so commissioning week. So that's why they do this air show, but it's a big holiday in Annapolis because everybody comes out on all their boats. Everyone wants their boats ready for Blue Angels, which is typically the week before Memorial Day. So it's a big deal to have your boat out on the water ready to go for this specific event. And believe it or not, they do this 2 days in a row. They do a practice day Tuesday and then a full day on Wednesday as well. Not a full day, but the exact same air show. So people go back-to-back days, Tuesday, Wednesday, and attend this event. So let's get out there right now. The old girl's warming up. I creeped her out of the slip and then fired the engines up. You know, everything's running great. I still haven't fixed this fuel gauge, but so far she's been a good boat this year. I've put probably 20, 30 hours on it so far. I got autopilot working. She's run strong. Bottom is good shape. Cabin's in good shape. Not get old. Get to take this thing out. I just love it. Like it's not a super big boat, but it acts like a big boat, and it makes big boat noises. So you gotta love that. Alrighty. Let's get through the inlet and get ripping. So now here's the fun part. We are out here right in the middle of Annapolis Harbor. We got Coast Guard, towboat sitting out in the middle. And then basically it's first come, first pick for wherever you want to raft up. So a lot of guys will go over by those towers. Naval Academy's right over there. And then this kind of point right off here is a really big spot for a lot of boats to raft up. So I think we're gonna get a good spot right off this point here. See if you can see on the chart. Probably somewhere, right somewhere in there. And wait for our other boats to show up and hang out. Now, again, I'm out here at 8:50 in the morning. Typically you wouldn't come this early, but you know, it is what it is for right now. We're here all day. Not quite the rowdy crew we had for the shootout a few years ago, but I think we'll be just fine. In the meantime, I'm gonna get stationary, probably drop an anchor, or at least hold out until we find a good spot, throw my flags up. Got all my flags up on the outriggers. However you guys feel about that. Whatever, I gotta replace those lines anyway at some point. I love it. Now I'm gonna go up the tower and wait for my buddy's boat to get here, but here's a good shot at before all the boats, but you can already see people rolling in. This is gonna be filled as far as you can see with boats here in a little while. So we finally got her rafted up, and we're actually out here the last mango, which is right in front of us. I got a bunch of anchor rode out, and you can see just like in an hour and a half, this whole place has just filled up with boats, and this isn't even the worst of it. It's only 11 o'clock. So we just went through a bunch of waves, the wind just shifted, so now we're tied. Plenty of anchor out next to this beautiful Solus. We got our flags up, American flag out, and good old Last Mango, Jimmy Buffett's old boat. It's a Freeman 42, I believe. That's been finished by Merritt, owned by his captain now. Gotta love it. What's up?
What's up, Dad?
What is that thing?
Like this?
That thing's awesome, man.
1969 Dyer.
Dude, hell yeah.
Old 1GN import.
Is it a one-cylinder? Really?
Old one-bagger.
That's awesome. It's beautiful too, man.
Oh, yeah.
Filling up. Just hanging out on top of the tower. Got Last Mango, the Last Mango right off my port stern, and literally jets flying right behind us. God, it's cool. So they fly by at 11, and they come back at 2 o'clock for the main show. And in the meantime, it's a little rough out here, so we had to really shore up our ties and fenders. But anyway, we're making do. Pretty cool to be out here. We got a couple other Tiaras. There's another Pursuit 3000, it looks like. And then there's a Tiara Open over there. Let's see, we got an older Tiara flying the American flags up forward. Well, this is pretty much what we're doing the rest of the day. It's finally calmed down a bit. It's still a little windy. You can see we got Coast Guard out here, which they're the ones creating the big old wake. But they're trying to keep everybody out of the channel. So they gotta leave a channel in here and then a clear channel over on the other side as well. Pretty wild. And jets are way off there in the distance, and hopefully they come right back by here. Here they come. God, that's cool. Literally screams America. I love it. He came right here. You didn't even hear him. That was wild.
I mean, that guy Rich Kergar, who's both working on, like, I took him on a sea trial.
I know where they're gonna go. One of those like closer up.
You good with that?
Yeah, that's good.
All right.
I got your thing done today.
Oh, did you? Thank you. Thank you, Anthony. Oh, here we go. Yep. It is crowded out here. I haven't seen this crowded in a while. Not a bad view from the tower, that's for sure. Now we got 4 boats rafted up. Everything's looking good.
Well,
like low volume business, and it works really well. install.
Yeah, I know. I've seen that.
Yeah. It's not as fast as the jets.
Well, no. Other transport land. Oh yeah, he's going up.
Lady Gaga.
I love this trick where it goes up. I love that trick. Look, it's going up, everybody.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Look, it's going up. Hey.
No, Mike, it's going down.
Did you see that? It went up.
Well, that's all we got today. Pretty badass watching those F-18s fly above. Nothing really like it. I mean, the camera really doesn't do it justice. So if you guys are ever in the area, come check it out. But that was a lot of fun. Being able to take the pursuit out, anchor out, raft up with a bunch of people, and just have a good time was pretty sweet. But anyway, as always, thank you for watching. This is Boat Restoration by Ben. God bless America. And we'll see you guys next time. All right, take it easy.